In this introduction video, we'll spend a few minutes guiding you through the features in Photology. The first thing you'll notice is that you see the same camera roll as in the built-in Photos app. If you have albums synced with iTunes, you'll find these in the iTunes section. In other words, Photology will be the only app you need to enjoy your photos and videos. Let's have a look at the camera roll first. One of the great and unique features in Photology is that it automatically sorts your library by date and overlays a timestamp on the thumbnails, transforming them into a detailed visual diary. By tapping the View button, you have the option to turn both timestamps and date lines off. You can also turn photos or videos on and off to display one or the other. Let's go through your options while viewing a single image. First off, this image was captured with the wrong orientation, so let's tap Rotate to get the right view. You can browse your images and videos by swiping left or right. Double tap once to zoom in on a part of an image. Double tap again to zoom out. Now, let's get some more details about this image by tapping the Image Info icon in the top right corner. If the image has GPS data, you'll see the location on the map. You'll also find information about when it was captured, as well as file size and pixel size. Let's go back and look at the share options in the bottom left corner. Right now, we have email, message, Facebook, and copy to clipboard as options, and we're working on several other sharing services. Use the copy to clipboard option to get your image into any other app, and then tap a text field to paste it. Let's share this sunset on Facebook. Optionally, you can also add a comment before you upload. Now it's ready to be uploaded. This only takes a few seconds. You can share entire albums on Facebook too. We'll check that out in a second. Now, let's start organizing by making a new album. Notice that you have an optional password protection to keep things private. You can also enable a two-way sync with Dropbox or even share the entire album on Facebook with automatic uploading of all new images added to the album. Now, get some images in there. Click the plus icon to add files. You will get the option to import from the camera roll and Photology albums, or albums synced from iTunes. Let's get some images from the camera roll. Select a few images and then tap the Add To button. You'll see that the Move To option is disabled, as no apps other than the built-in Photos app can remove files from the camera roll, so moving files will only work between albums you've created in Photology. You can also add single images or several at a time when browsing an album or the camera roll. Use the folder icon anywhere if you want to perform an action on one or more files. When viewing an image in an album that you've created in Photology, tapping the folder icon allows you to move the image, add it to another album or the camera roll, set the image as the album cover thumbnail, or assign it to a contact. When you have several albums, you can tap the Edit button in the album list to change the order of your albums. You can also delete albums from this view. If you do, they will end up in the trash can at the bottom of the album list, from where you can easily recover both deleted albums and single files. We want the Photology experience to be as smooth as possible for you, so we have a dedicated support section in the app. Here you'll find the introduction movie you're watching right now, as well as links to our online help resources and tutorials. If you like Photology, it would mean a lot to us if you took the time to rate the app. If you feel that something is not working properly, or you have an idea for a new feature, please use the Feedback and Requests feature. Be sure to stop by the Settings section to customize Photology to your liking. You can turn sharing services on and off, change the default view settings for albums, including the camera roll, switch between 12 and 24-hour clock display on thumbnails, and turn sharing services off when you're not on a Wi-Fi network. That was all for now. We'll make feature-specific video tutorials later that go deeper into certain parts of the app. Stop by photologyapp.com for more support and resources. We really hope you enjoy Photology. See you later!